All right, you guys, this is going to be hell week. To be quite honest with you guys, it's not going to be a good week of trading. If you're new to trading, I suggest you just chill out. Don't trade this week. This is going to be beast mode week. One of the worst trading weeks I've seen in a very, very, very long time. This is not good at all, you guys. I'm going to go through each one of these news events so that you guys kind of understand what I'm saying. But look over here real quick. Let me show you something. As you can see over here, these are the ones, if you're a new person, even if you're experienced, you might want to chill out this week and not trade too much. But watch tomorrow. Let me tell you guys this. Tomorrow, make sure to watch my video tomorrow. I'm going to create a video tomorrow on a trading strategy on how to trade this week. When news events like this is going to come up so that you can find good quality trades. I got a strategy for that, so make sure to watch tomorrow's video, okay? But as you guys can see over here, for new traders, I say don't trade during these news events. CPI, or customer price inflation numbers, is what I call it. They call it consumer price index, but that's what I call it. NFP, non-farm payroll, is a big one. But look right here. What do I say? Don't trade these news events. Inflation and interest rates, or meeting minutes sometimes, okay? But basically, inflation and interest rates. What do you see right here? Interest rates, inflation rates, interest rates. And that's the big one, okay? Interest rates. And what's bad, just so you guys understand what I'm saying, let me go over here to my currency pairs. When you're trading currencies, there's typically about 7 different pairs that you're going to find yourself trading at any given time, okay? So as you can see here, I actually have mine in alphabetical order. And some of you guys, y'all stuff is all jacked up. It'd be like this. Okay, GU. I don't know where it is. I can't find it. Well, here's what you do. You just simply drag and drop your stuff in alphabetical order. Just drag, hold down on your left mouse, and then just, when it turns blue, just drag and drop it wherever you want it. Okay, so I have mine all alphabetically categorized so I can easily find my stuff. So you can see I have my A, watch this, AUD, CHF, which is the Swiss, CAD, which is Canadian dollar, the Euro, which is the Euro, EUR, which is the Euro. Okay, then you have the GBP, which is GBP, Great British Pound. You have the NZD, which makes number 6. And you have the US dollar, which, by the way, this is out of order, so drag it up. And then you have the US dollar. So you have a typical 7 currencies that you can trade at any given time to make up your, 20-something currency pairs that you can choose from, okay? So as a result of that, look at how many are actually announcing bad announcements this week, okay? Especially interest rates. Let's look at interest rates specifically, okay? 1, 2, 3, which is the most dangerous, 4, 5, let's see, yeah, 5 of them. Okay, let me see, make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the 7 are announcing interest rates this week. And the other ones, watch this, look, inflation. So the only one that don't have bad news this week is NZD. But because NZD is tied so closely to the AUD, it could still spark too. You see why this is not a good week? Okay, this is really not a good week if you're new. Okay, so anyway, let's get to it. Let me cover some things real quick, and then make sure again to watch my video for tomorrow. And I'll cover these news events momentarily so you guys will know what I'm looking at, okay? But as for last week, we did a monster job. My team was wonderful. We pulled off 11 wins, only 2 losses, and we did 154 wins this year and 20 losses in that in the copycat group. So we are killing it there. Just amazing group. So thank you very much for that. And real quick, if you do want to join our copycat service, just go to our website, and it's superezcopycat.com, or you can go to our main website and click on it right here. And, and there you go. As far as trade, the signals side, or the trade alerts, for advanced members, you can always go right here, click on this tab right here, and then it'll click here to go to trade results, and it'll take you to this page. And I've tracked every week what we've done for each week, and you can see from last week Dr. Elvis had sent out 8 trades, 8 winners, only 2 losses and 1 at break even. Miss Jenny and her live trading sessions, which are done twice a week, which you can attend, they did over 5,000 pips. And for the month, they're up 16,000 pips for the month, and the 2 live classes, which are twice a week. And for this week, for this month so far, our totals are 42 wins and 8 losses for the month of March so far, and we still got this week coming up. So that's where we are for the year. So you can always check that out if you want to. And again, just go to our advanced membership, and you can click right here for results. If you want to join our alerts group, our advanced membership group, which comes with alerts and the live classes, just click right here to sign up. And when you do, just go right here and do your thing to log in and go through the tutorials, and you're good to go. Okay, let's get to the news. Whew, I'm trying to avoid that. All right, so JPY is coming out. Now, here's the deal. There's a problem with this, okay? Make sure you're paying attention to this. There's a problem with the JPY. Not only are they going to come out and announce their interest rates, when they hinted at it about a week or two ago, they hinted at the interest rate news. And when they hinted at it, just hinted at it, it caused the market to leap, or actually drop, let me just say, because they haven't raised interest rates in a very long time. So for them to say, yeah, we're possibly going to raise interest rates, oh my God, that's going to be huge. Okay, so just be careful. The problem is, as you can see, all the other ones, they do have a time frame, and where their announcement, they did not announce it. It's still not specifically timed. So I don't know what time of the day it's going to happen. So just know that on Monday, I'm not fooling with it. Okay. On the same day, on Monday, AUD is coming out with their interest rates at 11:30 p.m. Okay. Again, make sure to watch my video tomorrow on the strategy I'm going to be using for this week. You're going to love the strategy, so you can actually be very profitable, but you got to watch the strategy I'm going to use. Okay. Then CAD is coming out with their inflation numbers on Tuesday at 8:30 a.m. And the Great British Pound is coming with their inflation numbers on Wednesday at 3 a.m. This is going to be the big one, and please be aware that as the markets are getting closer and closer to this time frame, to Wednesday, the volume of traders is going to dry up. So be aware of that, okay? The volume of traders is going to dry up, so do not be alarmed if you see that the markets are not moving a whole lot. That's because smart money or the big players don't play around with this market until after you find out what the Feds are going to do, because the Feds came out saying, oh, we are thinking about lowering interest rates, and immediately look what happened. Look what happened to the dollar. It dropped like a rock. Okay? Dropped like a rock. This huge move was just them hinting at dropping interest rates. Just imagine if they do it this coming week. Wow. And because the dollar is accepted widely around the world as the world currency currently, they're working themselves right out of that leadership role, but you know, in the meantime, it's still widely accepted around the globe. So because of that, whatever they do, it's going to impact all the other currencies. So expect fireworks on Wednesday. Amazingly crazy week. Then you got the PMI numbers, production numbers, which is coming out. It may not do anything, so but depending on what they say, it could affect the currency for the AUD, and along with their unemployment numbers, and the euro is coming out with their production numbers, producer price index, or producer manufacturing index, whatever they call it. Then you have the Swiss, which is coming out with their interest rates. And look over here again. What do you want to stay away from if you're a new trader? Inflation numbers and interest rates. What do you see happening? Interest rates, inflation, interest rates, interest rates. Pound is coming out with their interest rates on Thursday at 8 a.m. And you got the JPY coming out with their inflation numbers. And they, again, see, here's the bad part. The JPY is the only one that it's not announcing yet what time. I didn't see it on the schedule, the announcement time of when they're going to be coming out with their inflation numbers. So again, this is going to be a very dangerous trading week, you guys. So again, I'm just encouraging you, if you're a brand new trader, you might want to just chill out. Just watch this week, or watch my video I'm going to do tomorrow. I'll give you a strategy on how to trade this stuff, okay? So you can be profitable, but you're going to have to watch my video, okay? All right, you guys, I think I'm going to put a wrap on this and go back to sleep. So I hope that this was helpful, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.